Hey guys, we received this Craft Geek selfie stick tripod. Can be used for both iPhones and Android, and it's a very lightweight and compact. Let's see how this thing works. Let's test and try. So first impression is like it's a very small, compact design with a charging cable. So let's open this up first. So it's just like a small rod, like a torch. So my impression is like how this is so long. And then the thing is you have to press this below button, but before that I want to show this charging cable. So this is all the unboxing thing first, and let's just open it. So the quality wise, you can see, like, press this button, this thing will open up, and then this tripod thing will work. And now once you set this up, you can just put it down and you can extend this. So it can go up to 60 or 62 inches depending. So it's a pretty long tripod and with a small torch like small design. So let's check in another way. So I just open it and you can see this tripod holds well on the ground, and then it's a top. I put a mobile on this case. So this is pretty much nice. It can hold the mobile really well to a really good height. So as I said, 60-63 inches, and then it's hold really well from the corner, as you can see, and you can extend, so it's good for any size mobile. And also, like, from this side, it can hold really well. You can just push it down and you can adjust the height based on your need. So from this small to this long, this tripod is usually a really good thing to have. And then it's the size from the things. When you want to just close it, just press this up, and then this will just close down, so like in a small torch design. So this can also rotate. You can move your mobile also from the top. And then this one is the button. So I will just show this. So it's a selfie button. You need to connect it as a Bluetooth to your mobile, and then you can just use it as a controller button. So here you can just take this out, and you can also charge this and keep it after connecting with your mobile. And then once connected, you can just use it as the remote button to control your mobile to take the photo or the video. So it's pretty good thing. And then yeah, you can use it the way you want. So very nice design, very compact, very helpful as a torch in the selfie.